Hello, Right Recipe for Travel family. I'm Cynthia, your host. Welcome to the show. Today's show is all about tempting the taste buds. I'm talking about delicious eats. Come along with me to visit two distinctly different options in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. These restaurants offer something a little different. I'm not talking about pizza or pasta or burgers or steak, although all of those options are really delicious. We're talking today about Mediterranean Lebanese food and biscuits. No, wait, hear me out. Both of these options offer delicious, mouth-watering combinations, but they also offer taste combinations that are different. You know how it's so easy to get bored with the same old routine? Yeah. The right recipe for this video? Checking out these two yummy options. Let's start our adventure at Fadi's Mediterranean Grill. There are several in the Metroplex, but this one is located at 3001 Knox Street, Dallas. Fadi's has been serving fresh Mediterranean and Lebanese cuisine since 1996. Let's take a look at the decor. Very nice. They offer dine-in, carry-out, and catering. Cool vibe. You can see here by the menu, they offer combination plates and kids' meals. Now it's time to take a look at the food. Forgive me, I might pronounce the names wrong, but the food is oh so right. Starting at the front with hummus, jalapeno, avocado, and spicy, just to name a few. We move on to the salads, quinoa, pesto, beetroot, Lebanese, and tabbouleh are on offer here. Fresh, steaming, delicious sides, such as fried cauliflower or pomegranate eggplant. Warm pita bread. Only take one if you're dining in. Wow, take a look at the meats. The meats. All different types of meat combinations such as chicken, beef, fish. And yes, they have desserts too. Plenty of drinks are available. Take your pick. Now, it's time to eat. But wait, there's more. Are you hungry yet? Before we get to number 2 on our list, I'd like to take this opportunity to invite you to subscribe to the channel. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up and also pound down on that notification bell. When we produce new videos, you'll be first to know. All right, let's go to number 2. How about a biscuit? Let's continue our adventure at the Biscuit Bar. Once again, there are several in the DFW Metroplex, but this one is located at 1707 North Collins, Arlington. The Biscuit Bar is an approachable, fast casual restaurant serving Southern goodness on a biscuit. Let's take a look at the decor. Cute, right? Casual restaurant with an industrial vibe. And cute and quirky messaging. They offer window seats so you can have a view of the outside while you eat. As well as an outside patio area. You can see here by the menu, they offer savory and sweet sandwiches made from scratch, as well as tots, cocktails, coffee, and more. We tried the kids' eggs and biscuit, which comes with tots and a drink. I had the hot honey biscuit with tater tots. I also added a hot honeysuckle latte coffee. It was delicious. And now, let's eat.